Our Quinetic range of products can help eliminate the need for complex cable runs and make installation not only easier but cheaper too. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the QURWST Wi-Fi LED strip controller, designed to work with 12 to 24 volt LED light strips for both on-off control and dimming. It can be controlled by wireless Kinetic switches or by the Kinetic Switch app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices and is compatible with Amazon Alexa for voice control. The controller is also equipped with an inrush current suppression function, thus creating a safe and durable product. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be prompted to set up an account. Once this is done, you are ready to add your controller, which you then need to put into pairing mode by simply pressing and holding the function button for 3 seconds until the indicator light starts to flash quickly. Then you'll need to choose what type of device you're adding and verify that the controller is in pairing mode. The process takes a couple of moments, and once completed, you're able to control the device wirelessly through the app. Functions include on-off, dimming, and you can also create a schedule. The app also allows you to put the controller into pairing mode so that you can add up to 10 Kinetic switches for multiple control function. You can also do this manually by pressing the function switch for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes quickly, and then press the Kinetic switch. The indicator light will go out and the receiver and switch are now paired. A single press on the switch will turn it on and off, and holding the switch down will control the dimming and brightness. Should you wish to unpair the switch and reset the controller, simply press and hold the function switch for 15 seconds until the indicator light goes out, and then all pairing information is now cleared. For more information or to purchase this product, please visit our website or follow the links somewhere around this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.